huge. Yeah, that guy's just being nosy. Well, here we have it, the Rambo truck. Yo, Adrian. Yeah, Adrian, it's my truck. It's pretty cool. They got chains on it. Look at these chains. That's awesome. Look how thick these are. Wait, Rambo didn't have chains on his truck. I don't know what they're gonna do here. What's weird is people is stopping me, asking me questions about the truck. And I'm like, I don't know, I'm just taking photos, taking some vid. Oh no, the truck's coming after me. Yeah, you can't get away from me. That's pretty cool military truck there. Jamming my phone. Took video of this 3 times, jammed my phone up. I couldn't do it, so I had to get my own Apple phone out. And I pan slowly. I gotta pan slowly. Take another look inside before somebody comes. Gas tank. Wow. Look how big these tires are. Take a look at the back. This is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. What is this thing for? You know what? Bulldoze the trails? I don't know. Oh, look at that. They're gonna tear some stuff up, man, that's for sure. They're gonna tear some up for sure. Look at the hooks on the back of this thing. Wow. Let's get it. What's in there? That's what we got. Awesome. iPhone, I think iPhone 5, this military truck here. Now you're gonna be live with me on this video, dude. Let's see what's inside. Here comes the truck. Uh-oh. Huh? Yeah, you're on the video. Yeah, you're on the video with me, dude. I can hear you. Everybody probably hears you. That's nice, dude. This is like a Rambo truck. Now that might be the cell phone jammer in that light right there. I tried doing video a couple times on it, but it just didn't come out. That's huge.